Comprehensive cookware comparison. Camping cookware is an essential component for outdoor enthusiasts, whether you're backpacking solo, camping with family, or embarking on a multi-day hike. The right cookware can make meal preparation efficient, enjoyable, and hassle-free in the wilderness. For this comparison, we evaluated 5 of the most popular camping cookware sets available in 2025, focusing on durability, portability.
List number. The Malamy Camping Cookware Mess Kit is a budget-friendly option designed for solo campers and backpackers. This 10-piece set includes a 1-liter anodized aluminum pot, non-stick pan, 2 bowls and various utensils, all packed into a compact nylon travel pouch. Despite its affordability, the build quality is commendable, with a lightweight yet durable construction that conducts heat efficiently. This set is particularly suitable for youth scouts or single hikers who prioritize portability and simplicity over extensive cooking capabilities. In testing, the Malamy Kit performed well for basic tasks like boiling water and preparing simple meals. However, its compact size limits its usability for more elaborate cooking or group settings. The non-stick coating is effective, but requires careful handling to avoid scratches. Cleaning is straightforward, thanks to the included sponge and non-stick surfaces. While the utensils are functional, they feel somewhat flimsy compared to higher-end options. Overall, this kit is an excellent entry-level choice for minimalists or those on a tight budget. List. The Odleland 15-piece camping cookware mess kit offers a more comprehensive solution for small groups or couples. It includes a 1.9-liter pot, 0.8-liter kettle, and 5.7-inch fry pan, along with stainless steel cups, plates, and cutlery. The anodized aluminum construction ensures lightweight durability, while the non-stick coating simplifies cooking and cleaning.
This set is designed for versatility, making it suitable for both backpacking and car camping. During testing, the Odleland kit impressed with its thoughtful design and functionality. The inclusion of a kettle is a standout feature, ideal for coffee or tea enthusiasts. The folding handles on the pots and pans are sturdy and insulated, ensuring safe handling. However, at 2.75 pounds, it is slightly heavier than other options, which might be a drawback for ultralight backpackers. The stainless steel cutlery is a nice touch, though the folding mechanism could be smoother. This set strikes a balance between portability and utility, making it a great choice for 2-person adventures. List number. The Alux Camping Cookware Set is a premium offering designed for durability and versatility. It includes 3 pots, 2.2 liters, 1.2 liters, and 1 liter, a non-stick frying pan, and a mesh carry bag. Made from hard anodized aluminum and food-grade silicone, this set meets high safety standards while being resistant to scratches and oxidation. Its compact nesting design and lightweight build make it a strong contender for serious outdoor enthusiasts. In practice, the Alux set excels in heat distribution and cooking efficiency, making it ideal for preparing meals for small groups. The thermally insulated handles are a thoughtful addition, ensuring safety during use. However, the lack of included utensils or plates means you'll need to supplement this set for complete functionality. At $49.99, it is one of the more expensive options. But its quality and performance justify the price for those who prioritize durability. List number. The THTY Bro 17-piece camping cookware kit is a mid-range option that offers a balance of affordability and functionality. It includes a 1.7-liter pot, 1.15-liter kettle, 7-inch frying pan, and a variety of stainless steel cups, plates, and utensils. The hard anodized aluminum construction ensures durability and even heat distribution, while the ergonomic silicone handles provide a comfortable grip. This set performed admirably during testing, with the kettle and frying pan standing out for their practicality. The inclusion of cleaning tools and a bamboo spoon adds convenience to the overall package. However, at 2.4 pounds, it is not the lightest option, and the storage bag could be more robust. This kit is well suited for campers who want a comprehensive set without breaking the bank. List number. The THTY Bro's 27-piece camping cookware mess kit is the most comprehensive and premium option in this comparison. Designed for groups of 2 to 4 people, it includes a kettle, non-stick pots and pans, stainless steel plates, utensils, and several storage bags. The nesting design ensures portability, while the high-quality materials guarantee durability and safety. In our tests, this kit excelled in both cooking performance and user convenience. The non-stick surfaces made cooking and cleaning a breeze, while the variety of included accessories covered all basic needs for group camping. At 3.6 pounds, it is the heaviest set, which may not suit ultralight backpackers. However, for car camping or group trips, its comprehensive nature and build quality make it a top choice.